So I know this stuff. I know this stuff is starting to get easy, huh? So I'm going to beef it up a little bit. All right. So you've got the point 4, comma, and this is y plus 2. That's all the y coordinate. And 10, comma 6. The slope between them is supposed to be this 2/3. So let's plug them in. Y2 is equal to 6 minus y1. Now here you kind of have to be careful. You need to minus the entire y1, which is y plus 2. Now all that means is that you're going to have to distribute the negative. That's all that means. And then on the bottom, x2 is 10 minus x1, which is 4. And that's equal to 2/3, it said. All right, let's go ahead and simplify. Let's see here. If we distribute the negative, we end up getting 6 minus y minus 2, because the negative gets distributed. 6 and the minus 2 is going to give us 4. There we go. 4 minus y. On the bottom, 10 minus 4 is going to give us 6 equals 2/3. Now from here, we can go ahead and cross multiply. So 6 times 2, that's going to be our 12. And then on the other side, 3 times this whole 4 minus y. So 3 times 4 minus y, like that. Let's go ahead black here. Distribute our 3 inside. We're going to get 12 equals 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times negative y is negative 3y. Now here, if we subtract 12, subtracting 12, we're going to get 0. 0 is equal to negative 3y. So if you divide by negative 3, you're still going to get 0. 0 is equal to y. All right. Let's go ahead. We'll jump over to this other one. So, on this last example, you've got the point negative 3, comma 8, and you've got the point 5x, comma 1. All right, and the slope is equal to 5 over 3. So the formula goes, y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 8, over x2, which is 5x in this case, minus the negative 3, which is x1. All right, and that's supposed to equal 5/3, because that was our slope. All right, let's see here. We can go ahead. We'll combine those. That's negative 7 for these two. Cross multiply here. Negative 7 times 3 is going to give us negative 21. And then we'll go ahead and cross multiply this part with the 5. Okay? So we've got 5 multiplied by the 5x plus 3. I just called that a plus sign because you get the double negatives. Distribute our 5 inside. Negative 21, 25x. 5 times the 3 is 15. We're almost there. All right. Subtract 15 from both sides. A little two-step equation here. Black will work. Negative 21 minus 15 is negative 36. Is equal to 25x. And then divide by 25. Divide by 25. Cancels. And this is our answer. X is equal to that. Now, that's pretty terrible. I would definitely want to go back and check that answer. You could do this thing, store to X, and then you could run the, the formula, the y2 minus y1, and see if it actually does give you 5/3. as a decimal, what is this? So 25 goes into 36 one time with 11 left over. So as a decimal, this would be negative 1.44. So that might be a little easier to check. All right. Good hunting.